Hey guys, if your Umamusume keeps hitting you with that frustrating connection error, don't panic, we can sort it out. This usually happens because the game's files are outdated, the servers are having a bad day, or your network just isn't playing nice. The first thing you should do is make sure your game is fully updated. On mobile, check the Play Store or App Store, and if you see an update button, hit it. On PC, you can do the same through Steam. An old version of the game can easily cause connection problems. If you're up to date but still stuck, it's worth checking whether the servers themselves are down. I've dropped a link in the description so you can quickly see the live server status without any guesswork. Now, if the servers are fine, the next move is to clear the game's cache. On your phone, head into Settings, scroll to Apps, tap on App Manager, and find Umamusume. Open its storage settings and clear the cache data, but be careful not to clear all data or you'll lose your progress. If you're still having trouble, try switching your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. A quick connection change can sometimes do wonders. Once that's done, restart the game and chances are it'll be running smoothly again. That's it and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.